Here are the top 30 terms used in linguistics. Linguistics, linguistics. Phonetics, phonetics, phonetics. Phonetics or phonetics, phonetics or phonetics. Phonology, 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 phonology. Morphology, morphology, morphology. Syntax, syntax, syntax. Semantics, semantics, semantics. Pragmatics, pragmatics, pragmatics. Lexicon, lexicon, lexicon. Grammar, grammar, grammar. Discourse, discourse, discourse. Dialect, dialect, dialect. Accent, accent, accent. Bilingualism, 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 bilingualism. Code switching, code switching, code switching. Diachronic, 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 diachronic. Synchronic, synchronic, synchronic. Phoneme, 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 phoneme. Phoneme, phoneme, phoneme. Allophone, allophone, not phone. Alla, 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 alla. Allophone, 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 allophone. Semiotics, 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 semiotics. Sociolinguistics, 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 sociolinguistics. Psycholinguistics, psycholinguistics, psycholinguistics. Discourse analysis, discourse analysis, discourse analysis. Speech act, speech act, speech act. Corpus, corpus, corpus. Linguistic relativity, linguistic relativity, linguistic relativity, linguistic relativity, linguistic relativity, relativity, relativity. Linguistic relativity, linguistic relativity, relativity, relativity. Repeat. Rela, rela, relative, teve, d, 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 d. Relativity, 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 relativity. Linguistic relativity, linguistic relativity, linguistic relativity, linguistic relativity. And in the normal speech, and the linguistic relativity, 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 relativity. Prescriptive grammar, prescriptive grammar, prescriptive grammar, prescriptive grammar, descriptive grammar, descriptive grammar, descriptive grammar. Etymology, 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 etymology. Eta or eta, both are correct. Etymology, 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 or etymology, 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 etymology. Phonological rules, phonological rules, phonological rules, phonological rules, phonological rules. Syntax tree, syntax tree, syntax tree, syntax tree. Now, these terms cover various aspects of linguistics and language study. Keep in mind that linguistics is a diverse field, and there are many subfields and specialized terms within it. مدرب لغة وليد خالد.